it's full. But that data also shows that we both improved on our second runs because we had experience of the course. Now, if we remove that bias by averaging Jamie's and my data, what do we get? Beautiful, near identical scores for each of the two techniques. But we are not done yet for two particular reasons. One, our course isn't very real world. For starters, there's no traffic. Second, and perhaps more importantly, is Jamie's and my driving abilities. We have both received tons of training over the years in lots of different driving techniques. We are quite far from your average Joes, and that is what we need next. 3, 2, 1, go! Now, Jamie and I have already gone pretty far teaching ourselves the rudiments of driving in reverse. But if we're going to get really good at this, we're going to need to get trained by an expert. Luckily, we have an expert in reverse tactical driving, right here. Hello, sir.
Hello. Brian Fraser's a trainer at the Emergency Vehicle Operations course here in California. Now, we've used him repeatedly over past years whenever we've had to learn how to deal with a particularly difficult driving situation. And driving at speed in reverse certainly qualifies.
All right, Brian, where do we start?
We're going to put barrel here, 2 barrels here, one on each side of the car.
All right.
Brian's first job is to ignore the current course.
Right there is good. Good in.
That's why we can't have nice things.
And set up something way more straightforward.
All right, Brian, where do we start?
We're going to put barrel here, 2 barrels here, one on each side of the car.
All right.
Brian's first job is to ignore the current course.
Right there is good. Good in.
That's why we can't have nice things.
And set up something way more straightforward.
All right. That's the course. Now what do we do?
Drive it.
Okay, let's go.
Because the technique he's going to teach is surprisingly simple.
So I'm going to change my seating position now.
Okay.
I'm going to prop myself up, loosen my seatbelt, turn yourself as far as you can around, get your...
So I just have my grooves.
Woo!